Would you use Happy Fabric Vinyl again? Of course I would. Like, it's been amazing. I just now want to cover everything in vinyl. What was the best part of the takeover for you? I feel like it all. I don't know if there was the best part.
It's been a good day.
Because it's just been amazing from like when I got here, because obviously feeling a bit nervous, but it was just brilliant. Your questions were really good at the start, and yeah, just had like an amazing day.
Oh, I'm so pleased.
Yeah. And time has just flew. Like,
I know. I literally haven't even kept an eye on the time.
No.
We need a longer day.
I know.
Like sleepover.
Sleepover at Happy Fabric.
Yeah.
That's a new YouTube video.
Yeah.
Pillows, duvets.
Yeah, you could do all sorts. What have you been making today? Well, 3 sewing t-shirts and an amazing pair of trainers. Which
Yeah.
can't wait to work.
Basically got a whole outfit. You just need trousers now.
Yeah.
I'm about to say you've got an outfit, but you do need something on the bottom.
Yeah.
It's a bold
Some
outfit.
trousers.
That's a statement.
Yeah, unless you want a statement outfit.
No.
But yeah, happy fabric trousers maybe next. Or skirt.
What is your favourite colour of vinyl? No.
Oh, yeah, this is hard.
Well, when I was looking through the swatches, I did like all the greens. Because
Yeah.
green probably is like my favourite colour, although we've done no green today. But yeah, I did like, well, they're all amazing, but yeah, I liked the greens.
Green colours.
Would you go
Yeah,
glitter
that's
or
good.
would you go normal?
Probably just the plain ones.
Yeah, just some flex.
Yeah.
Flex. Nice. Sort of matte finish.
Yeah, I like that.
Good choice.
Yeah.
And last one. Oh no. Describe the Happy Fabric office in 3 words. Well, obviously happy, colourful, and sparkly.
Love that.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's spot on.
Have you ever used heat transfer vinyl before today?
What kind of projects have you used it on before?
When I did like the little Christmas workshop
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Cambridge, I did the jumper with the goldfish.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was mine. I don't know what
I've
made
seen
me
the
come
photo
up with
of it.
that.
It's
But
really
I went
cool.
there and was like, I want goldfish.
Love it.
I love
But
that.
they were all cut out by hand. I came with my little picture and then I traced it all out and did them all. And then I did buy some vinyl from here afterwards, and I've done a hoodie that's like polka dot, but the polka dots are buttons.
I've seen that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I did the jumper with like Sewing Club. Like, because I've got a little enamel pin that's like
Yeah.
a t-shirt that says Sewing Club, so I like recreated. Would you use Happy Fabric Vinyl again? Of course I would. Like, it's been amazing. I just now want to cover everything in vinyl.
I actually think I'm addicted. As if you'd be addicted to something like that.
Yeah,
Because
I
I
now
really
want
want
like
everything.
hundreds of slogan t-shirts.
Yeah.
It's perfect. People love something personalised, don't they?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Something that's like personal to them and anything with your name on, people just
Yeah.
love it, don't they?